We have to refocus less on ourselves and more on the Lord. So rise above your daily problems. How do you refocus? Come, Holy Spirit. Anytime you're bothered by anything, rise above. Come, Holy Spirit. Things fall into place. And there are times, mayroon kang dinadaanan, ang bigat. If you refocus, recalculate, maybe you take this road, magaan pala. For example, hindi ka makarelate, mayroon kang kaaway, panay sama ng loob. That's because you're taking the road of pride. At if you refocus, I'll just take the road of humility. Magaan na. Nandun pa rin yung problema, but I'm not burdened anymore by that person. Because I've chosen to take the road of humility as advised by the Holy Spirit.